revolutionary goals. आणि तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी भितरच दे एंडेड अप ऑन नंबर 2 इन लास्ट असेंब्ली इलेक्शन. सो ते जर पळयलें जाल्यार तांणी जर आपलो कॅन्डिडेट घाला, कोणाक चड डेंजर आसा ह्या ट्रायंगुलर कॉन्टेस्टाचो?
We can't compare assembly elections and Lok Sabha elections. Lok Sabha elections are fought on one thing, assembly elections are fought on another. How do we know? Tomorrow they may also join Congress and
RG?
Can't say. Everything is possible. Everything is possible.
जनरली मागील तुम्ही म्हणटले RG विल जॉइन बीजेपी कारण ते तांकां तुमची बी टीम म्हणटात.
ते म्हणटाय ते जायते म्हणटाले.
खरें तें?
How can it be so? If RG was BJP's B team, you tell me last election, why did they put candidates all over? If RG was BJP's B team, why did they have a candidate why was the BJP candidate put in Nuvai constituency? There's only one constituency in Goa, you'll agree with me, where they didn't put one or two constituencies where they didn't put a candidate.
Correct.
So in whose favor was it? Wasn't it in favor of the Congress? So you should wonder whether BJP and RG and Congress have an alignment somewhere, an unwritten understanding.